What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis K. I'm gonna attempt a side part sew-in with Ywigs. So they sent me three bundles of 22" in their kinky straight texture, so I'm really nervous. I've been watching videos just to see what people's like braid down was kind of like. We're gonna hop right into it, but if you guys are interested in how I stretched my hair this well with the Revere, I will link that video down below as well. But yeah, we're gonna get the braiding pattern all situated and all that stuff, and then I will come back and we're gonna get into it. That took 5 ever. This is basically what I'm working with. I am not the best braider at all. So this braid and this middle braid are my leave out. So this all the way around, and then this is everything. And I'm going to sew this braid down. I'm getting stressed out because I have a headache. I might need to take a break, but we finna get started. Alright guys, I am back and I think it's pretty cute. I tried to do like a little updo, but this is the finished look. So shout out to Ywigs for the kinky straight hair. Like I said before, it is the 22-inch kinky straight. I will put all the links down below in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this little sewing tutorial demo, let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely did struggle a little bit, but I think overall it came out, like I said, pretty cute. But I hope to see you guys in the next video. Love you guys and later.